Hey, my name's Cam Pack, and I'm the creator of faith.tools. I'm also creator of something called Kit. Kit is a new product that helps you keep in touch um, as a Christian creative to those who will be using the app, tool, or thing that you're creating. My goal is to be a bridge builder, make it easier to showcase what is out there. So, because you have people on the other side and they're praying and they're saying, Lord, I wish I had an app or a tool that did this, that would help me in my faith this much or so much. And you have people praying for the thing that God has put on your heart to create. And you may be wondering, how do I get that in front of people? How do I gauge interest? How do I really just validate that this is something that should be created? Now, with caution, I definitely want you to pray, get wisdom when you're building, and use a tool like this to showcase what you're building. So in my day job, I work at a company called Techless. We make a healthy smartphone. And that's what I put in this project for this little project demo. I can say Cam and Techless team. And then I can save it. And this is your sort of homepage for what you're creating. Think of it kind of like a blog kind of wait list. So you can go and sign up for updates. So I can just say Campack, my email, been looking for something like this, and I want to help. And then someone can say, hey, I'm a graphic designer and I can help you with logos. So even someone here can say, hey, I'm requesting help, and then I can submit it and signed up. So what's cool is you get a blog and you get contacts to contact these people. So let's say we posted Wise Fund 2 is shipping, and there's this little update. It can be a longer blog post or a short post. It doesn't really matter. The goal is update the people, keep in touch. So you can sign into the portal, the dashboard. If you want to do a YouTube video, let's do a YouTube video. This is definitely not my video, but it's kind of cool just to see how you can say, this is what we're building. Sometimes you want to show, not tell. And let's go back and let's look at post. You could just say, welcome to Kit. This is Kit. I want you to know Kit is experimental. It's new, it's in beta. There will be some issues that you run into. For example, when I post this, I can't delete it yet, so I didn't add a delete function yet. You can create a contact, you can copy your email list. So if I copy it, I can go click here and send a brand new email. So how do I send it from here? Okay, I'll just go back. And okay, and then you can just paste it. So then you can send an email from there. You can have a ton of tabs open. But the beauty is it's very simple right now. For those who are creatives and you already have a blog, what I want to do is make it where you can just link out to your blog. Maybe you do have this email list and then there's a webhook that sends it on over to where you want to send the data. Goal is bridge the gap. Help us keep in touch with those using the tools and those creating the tools. So far, that's it. If you want access to Kit, let me know, send me a message, and I would love to get you equipped.